If you're in a hurry to find a new job, you may be more susceptible to cyber threats. Recently, as reported by the Hacker News, North Korean hackers have started exploiting the job interview process itself to trick job seekers into installing malware on their Apple devices, including the best MacBooks. This latest campaign bears similarities to a 2023 operation called Contagious Interview, which used fake videoconferencing software to spread malware. However, the current attack is even more sophisticated, utilizing multiple malware strains to evade detection. The hackers initiate contact with their targets on LinkedIn, pretending to be recruiters. They then persuade job seekers to complete a video assessment. Much like a previous campaign that used fake Google Meet errors, this attack tricks victims by displaying an error message during a supposed video call. The message claims that an additional software component, such as VCam or camera access, is required to fix the issue. This deceptive tactic is designed to exploit the victim's trust. The supposed solution involves executing a command in macOS through the Terminal app, which ultimately installs JavaScript-based malware called Beavertail. Once installed, this malware steals sensitive browser data and cryptocurrency wallet funds. Additionally, it can deploy a Python-based backdoor known as Invisible Ferret. To make matters worse, this ferret malware achieves persistence on infected Macs by leveraging a launch agent, ensuring it remains even if the computer is restarted or the malware is manually deleted. To protect yourself from such scams, be cautious when communicating with recruiters or HR representatives via email. Avoid downloading attachments or clicking on links whenever possible. Before clicking, hover over links to inspect the URL and use reliable antivirus software to scan attachments before opening them. Mac users should consider investing in the best Mac antivirus software for an extra layer of protection. Most importantly, remember that if a job offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. Cybercriminals continue to prey on job seekers when they are most vulnerable, meaning these types of scams are likely to persist. What are your thoughts on this latest hacking tactic? Have you ever encountered a suspicious job interview process? What precautions do you take when searching for a job online? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below.